Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I get a few messages from time to time, and I got one today of people a little, not panicked, but kind of very worried because they have purchased systems not that long ago, but those systems are not meeting the minimum requirements of Windows 11. And for that, I always blame a lot of those stores and a lot of the people selling PCs out there. I think that there should be a minimum of standard that when a new operating system comes along and has minimum requirements, there should not be any PC sold without at least that minimum requirement. And what happens is people don't understand that they might be buying a high-end computer that actually has older technology. Because, let's face it, some of the powerful PCs that might have 4 or 5 years are still very powerful today. And it's not like it used to be in the past where, operating systems and PCs, after 2 years, your PC was really obsolete and slow. And that has changed over time. And thank you, because this was unsustainable. You can't buy a $2,000 PC. Back in the day, that was the price. You can't buy a $2,000 PC every 2 years. That's crazy. PCs have come down in price, although the really high-end PCs are still expensive. And mostly, they've been able to now work for years. And some of you have PCs that are 10 years old and still running with Windows 10 running fine. How many times did I say that my unsupported Toshiba, that's roughly 10 years old this year, is running Windows 11 very, very well, and actually in a very surprising speed too. So a lot of the messages I get is about people getting worried, and especially from a lot of people that have purchased a PC that, like I said, the PC isn't up to par as to what it could be, and doesn't have the minimum requirements, even though they purchased it only a year or a year and a half ago. I would, first of all, stop worrying about it. Like this one that I'm using right now, it's as simple as that. If we look at the settings, and if I go into Windows Update, it clearly tells me in the Windows Update page that the PC doesn't currently meet the minimum system requirements to run Windows 11. This PC is actually running Windows 10 for the purpose of making videos for you guys. And, the panic, I think, is a little too early for that to arrive. We still have, think about it, almost 2.5 years for the end of Windows 10. That's a lot of time in PC terms. It might look close, but it's still far away in terms of the life of computers. So you know what? Enjoy your computer. Use it now. And don't worry about that too much, because I think a lot of people are overreacting. Yes, I understand that you purchased a PC that you might have paid a certain amount of money, and money is hard to come by. So when you get that new computer, you want it to last as long as possible. It's totally understandable too. And but you know what? Many things can happen since until then. We have a new operating system, Windows 12 next year. We have Windows 10 that is extremely high in market share. I mean, this tells me that anything can happen. You have 2.5 years of Windows 10 that's going to run fine. In 2.5 years, many things can happen, including to your PC, to whatever people are using, especially if you're using an old Windows 10 PC that's many, many years of age. And who knows what could happen also, even though there's no signs that Microsoft would do it, with the high usage of Windows 10, I am in a... I think that Microsoft might have to cave in and give a little more time to Windows 10 in the future. We'll see. We'll see what's going to happen with that. And we'll see also how what Microsoft will do. And in the case it doesn't, next video we'll talk about because I have a question today that is interesting, and the next video will answer that. It's, what do you think is going to happen to all those people on Windows 10 in 2.5 years? So that's going to be the next video. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.